Hello everyone! Today we're diving into an incredible restoration journey. A young woman has discovered an old motorbike buried under layers of mud in a nearby stream after a massive storm. It's been abandoned, covered in rust, and clearly non-functional. But instead of ignoring it, she decides to bring it home and restore it completely. Let's carefully analyze every step she takes to bring this machine back to life. She starts by carefully dragging the mud-covered bike out of the water using a pulley and rope system. Despite its weight and how deeply it was buried, she manages to lift it out with steady determination. Once on dry ground, she immediately begins washing off the layers of dirt and debris using a high-pressure water jet, revealing the extent of the damage: corroded parts, a locked engine, and a completely ruined exhaust system. Next, she moves the bike into her workshop. Here, she methodically disassembles the entire frame. Every screw is removed with care, and she organizes the parts on a clean workbench. The engine is completely stuck, so she opens the crankcase, revealing rusted pistons. Using rust remover and penetrating oil, she patiently frees up the moving parts before cleaning them thoroughly with a brush and cloth. She then turns to the carburetor, which is clogged with sludge. She disassembles it, cleans each nozzle and jet with compressed air, and reassembles it with fresh gaskets. The fuel tank is drained, cleaned, and coated with anti-rust solution inside. She also replaces the spark plug and ignition coil, ensuring proper combustion. For the exterior, she sands down the entire metal frame, removing old paint and surface corrosion. After priming, she applies a fresh coat of matte black paint, giving it a sleek new finish. New tires, brake pads, and wires are installed, along with a refurbished seat and handlebar grips. Finally, she reassembles the bike piece by piece. Once complete, she fills it with fresh fuel and oil. She kicks the starter. Nothing. She tries again, and this time, the engine sputters, then roars back to life. The joy on her face says it all. This isn't just a repair, it's a transformation, a testament to patience, skill, and passion for machinery. Let's keep watching to see how far she can go with this amazing restoration.